everyone, my name is Madonna and I am a makeup artist here in New Jersey, and I would like to thank you so much for clicking on this video. So I know I look a little strange right now. I have a full face of makeup but no brows. Actually, I was in the middle of doing like an Instagram tutorial video, but I ended up somehow deleting everything by accident. It's okay. I wanted to do everything, you know, for the gram, but of course, silly me, I deleted everything by accident. But I am not done. I'm actually gonna add on a gel liner for this look and some lashes, and then we can get on with the eyebrow tutorial. Okay, so this liner and this lash is a little wonky, so just please ignore that because I'm having a struggle today. The way that I do my brows is a little different than most people. I actually set my brow hairs first, then go in with the Precisely My Brow pencil, and this is what I've been using. If you follow me on Instagram, I basically use these two items all month long, and I was entering the brow search contest, and during the time of doing the contest, I kind of like started doing my brows differently. I mean, I just kind of came across this routine as I was figuring out how to do my brows for all the different brow styles, and I really like it. So I'm going to show you how I do my brows and give you some tips along the way on how to achieve your perfect eyebrow shape and everything. There are different products that you can use to achieve your brows. I mean, there's 1,000,001 eyebrow products out there, and two of the most significant ones are pomades and pencils. There's also like brow gels, tinted brow gels that you can use as well, but these are the two most popular type of items that people use to do eyebrows. I'm just going to show you how to use the pencil one because that's what I want to do for my brows today, but I'm going to insert a photo so you can kind of see a difference on how, you know, depending on the product that you use, you're going to achieve different brow looks. Let's get started. I know this is not something that most people do, but I've been liking this because I just kind of want to move my hairs to be upward. I don't know, just been digging it this way. I have been liking this natural brow style. I guess it's kind of like a cross between a wispy brow and a feathered brow that we had to do for the Benefit Cosmetics brow search entries. This is just what I like to do. This actually most people's, you know, last step, but I don't know, I've just been digging it this way. When it comes to brows, looking for your shade, honestly, depending on your preference. If you want to go natural, you definitely want to use something that is like a tiny bit lighter than your natural hairs. You want it to look more defined, I guess. You can definitely go for something that has a very similar color as your roots. This one is shade number 4. It's lighter than my hair colors, but it's warm and it kind of gives me like a natural looking brow. It makes it look like I have more hair than what you see here. If you want to look bolder, you want to look more filled in, definitely go for something that has a thicker tip than this. This is a very like thin, small tip, so you're only gonna get like hair-like strokes out of these. You can definitely try to go deeper and try to make it look bolder, but then you're just wasting the product. If you want something that will achieve that, then get something with more product. Another product that you can use to achieve a full brow or even a thin brow, depending on how much product you apply, how much pressure. This is not the new one. Depending on how much product and how much pressure you use, pomades like this is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in dark brown. This is also a little bit like a shade lighter than my hairs. You can kind of tell just by looking at it, but you can go dark with this. The more you apply, the more pressure you apply, the more product, the deeper it can get. In order to achieve like your perfect brow shape, there's like a rule, kind of like a guideline that you can go by to try to achieve that shape. What you want to do is take a pencil, anything that you can like do like a slight indication on your face before you do your brows like this, and just go straight up from your nose, and you want it to start like basically at the end of your eye. You see where this is like the end of like the beginning of my inner corners? That's where you want your brow to start. And just make a little indication. Then you turn your pencil. You just start from your nose up. That is where your arch is going to go. and you just do like a little indication somewhere so you can see where the arch is. And then you never want your brows to go past your eye, so you're gonna go from your nose again, go up this way, and basically, well, I mean, I guess my liner is a good indication of where it should end to, but basically right here is where it should end. It should never go below that. Like, you start to go below that, you're gonna have like a long brow, so you want to keep it right here. Okay, that's basically the last hair on my brow. If you want your brows to be thick or thin, that is entirely up to you. That is just something that you have to like experiment with and kind of figure out. There's some people out there that have really thin brows and they would like to have thicker brows. They like to achieve the look with makeup. Don't be afraid of it. You can just go, like, once you start filling it in, you can just go a tiny bit higher than where your brow naturally is and start filling in that way as well, and just go slow and build up. You know, makeup is something that you play with, you experiment with, and it always washes off. So don't be afraid of playing with your products and kind of figuring out how to make them work for you. For today, as you know that my brow is going to be a little bit more on the natural side, I'm gonna fill it in with the Precisely My Brow pencil in the shade number 4, and I'm gonna show you how I do that. What I like to do personally, because I already know the shape of my brow, I like to start at the end and just kind of add hairs as I go. As I go to the arch and everything, I just kind of draw hair-like stroke, and I'm applying very light pressure because I just don't want to have like really dark brows. I just want to look like I have more hair. Like, that is my goal. You basically want to follow with how your hairs go. If your hair is going down, then you want your strokes to go down. If your hair is going up, then you want to go up. And I've just been digging it. Like, I've been digging this not so bold but still there kind of eyebrow look. Like, I don't know, I just really like it. So now I'm gonna do the same thing. Oh my god, what a difference. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do this brow, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I'm done with this brow, this is actually the harder brow because I don't have hair growing over here, at least not yet, because I'm trying to get that to grow. That's basically how I do my brows. That's just what I've been doing lately, and I've been loving this style. Like, I love that it's not so dark, not so bold, but like, it looks really natural. Like, it looks like a lot of hairs, you know? I don't know, I just really like it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this short little eyebrow tutorial. I hope that you guys learned something new today. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And that is about it for this video. So I'll see you guys on the next one.